The Non-Communicable Diseases NCD Strategic Research Program, a program developed by the Ministry of Health in collaboration with the Research Council TRC, held a workshop. At the beginning, the main objectives of the NCD program were highlighted, such as providing evidence-based, up-to-date, extensive and reliable baseline data on the major preventable NCDs and their behavioral and biological risk factors in the Sultanate of Oman. His Excellency Dr. Ali Al-Hinai, Undersecretary for Planning Affairs at the Ministry of Health and Chairman of Steering Committee of NCD Strategic Research Program, stated that the main types of NCDs are cardiovascular diseases, cancers, chronic respiratory diseases, and diabetes in Oman, maintaining that 36% of all deaths are due to cardiovascular diseases, with 11% due to cancers, 8% due to diabetes, and 2% due to chronic respiratory diseases, thus stressing the importance of taking the right actions to tackle these raising issues in the Sultanate. Dr. Adra Al-Ma'waliya, Director of the NCD Strategic Research Program and Director of Center of Studies and Research at the Ministry of Health, spoke to us and said,
Non-communicable diseases are diseases which tend to be for long duration and slow progression. There are four main types of these diseases: cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, chronic respiratory diseases, and all types of cancers. These diseases are the cause for 72% of death in Omanis. And the main causes for these are mainly genetic and lifestyle factors, like unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, using tobacco and alcohol, and now they added air pollution. There are other four biological factors like raised blood pressure, raised blood glucose, raised cholesterol, and obesity and overweight. Every 2 seconds in the world, people are dying due to these diseases.
Dr. Azid Ghali, health expert at TRC, added,
So this workshop is like an orientation workshop about the non-communicable diseases, abbreviated as NCDs. And the second main objective for this workshop is to open the call for proposals. This is a strategic program which targets conducting high-quality, practical, applied research in the country. So today, we gathered a large group of active researchers in Oman from so many different organizations in order to tell them all the details about this upcoming program, where we are going to open the call for proposals starting from today, and the deadline is going to extend until the end of March 2020.
The general aim of the NCD Strategic Research Program is to emphasize on the importance of focusing on NCD's prevention, early detection, and control as priority areas for research. Abdullah bin Ahmed Al-Rubi'i, Sultanate of Oman Television, Muscat.